What's good, what's good, what's good, what's good, my beautiful people? It is your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you, what's goody, what's good, guys? Forgive my glare on the video, on the screen there. I tried my best to fix it and shake it, but it's just the way that the lighting is, and it just won't do its thing. It's going to do its own thing, so I'm done with it. I'm done, all right? But guys, thanks for watching my video. Thanks for taking time out. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button. Give love to the world, and the world shows love back. So start off by hitting that like button. Good vibes, all right? So you guys, it is Monday. It is a beautiful, we're blessed. I'm able to shoot this video, so guys, I'm happy that I'm living. But I wanted to take some time out because I was on an incredible Zoom meeting last night about a system with Team Takeover that they're about to be releasing, guys. And guess why I'm so excited about it? Because the system that they're releasing is going to have multiple income streams in it. And a lot of the income streams that they're releasing, guys, your boy is already involved in. Your boy has already been telling you guys, start putting marketing systems together and double up. I've already had marketing systems together with programs inside them so you to understand this. But guys, it's coming. Things are happening now where you're seeing what I've been talking about. You know, if you've been following, Jay, I want to see what he's talking about. You know, I want to see what your favorite guru is doing too. And your favorite guru ain't doing nothing but just telling you the same thing that I'm telling you guys, because a lot of these gurus I was following, a lot of these gurus I still follow. But at the end of the day, I understand what they're doing. They're building marketing systems. They're building Facebook groups because they're giving groups teams. They're giving their group an opportunity to get on the board before it really takes off. And guys, you got to pay attention to how stuff is working. So when we're out here flipping off and letting you know what's happening, I hope you're locking in and understanding that we're telling you something that's going to really help you. Now, I've been involved in Easy One Up and MyEcon, both these programs. I've been involved in MyEcon since last year, and Easy One Up since it's pretty much came out. And guys, I made some good commissions with both programs, really. And the only difference that I had a problem with was that, a lot of people were promoting both of the companies separate. So it was hard for them to look very consistent. We try to teach people to understand, as far as branding goes, is branding yourself. Don't brand the company. Brand yourself, because if that company falls down, if that company happens to just go away, guess what? You branded yourself to where people know that you're going to help them. See, my whole thing is luxury hustle mentorship. See, in order to get the luxury, you got to hustle. You know what I'm saying? So the whole thing is that I want to introduce programs, things that are going to help you make money. And that's what I do. So with this being said, guys, we're introducing a system that's going to be completely free for you. So the only thing you need to do is lock into these income streams. And the first income stream that we're going to have there is MyEcon, and the second income stream is going to be Easy One Up. There's going to be more things that are going to be rolling out as well within the system, but these are two programs that are dear to my heart because I have made great money, guys. With Easy One Up, guys, I've made so much money with this program in the front end. It's 100% commissions. You can make money anywhere between 20, and the commission levels are $25, $100, $250, $500, $1,000, and $2,000. This is all training is going to teach you the ins and outs of marketing. Now, depending on the level that you come in at, then you're going to be qualified for the rest of the levels below. So if you come in at the $500 level, you are qualified for all those levels below. No, you don't have to pay for each one. Let's say you are on a budget, but they do have financing available. Guys, don't get yourself in any trouble with financing, but it is available, okay? That can be anywhere when it comes to financing. Subprime lending, loans, credit cards. Be careful if you don't know what you're doing. And what I would say is make sure that you're going through the MyEcon training so you can understand how to eliminate debt, so you can understand what to do with the money that you're making and let that money work for you. Excuse me. Okay? So guys, that's what we teach you in MyEcon. It's financial literacy. It's all about credit and getting your finances together, and that's what we teach you in MyEcon. Okay? So with Easy One Up, you're going to make some very good commission. It's a one-time payment inside of Easy One Up. You just pick the level that you want to come in at, and you're going to be granted reseller rights. If you don't know what reseller rights is, you're going to have the okay to go out here and talk to people about this program or sell this program to multiple people. So then that way you can make an income and you don't have to be, a recurring commission, a recurring payment to that company. So it's a one and done. Once you're in, you're in. Now, again, each level also offers its own set of training. So from the $25 level, you're going to get a set of training on up. Now, get positioned in the right way. Don't be scared to join, guys, because we're going to have things in place that are going to help you close your sales. We're going to teach you literally everything that you need to know about marketing, as far as, capture pages, as far as marketing systems, as far as the programs that are involved in them, as far as, follow-ups, everything. That's why we're designing this system, is to actually show you how to make money overall. It's not just a one-trick pony. We're not just going to be involved in one thing. So if that thing shuts down or if that wave dies down, then, you're kind of stuck turning your wheels, So what we're doing is that we're putting everybody in a community that's already in a community, and we're going to introduce you to other opportunities as far as making money goes, okay? So we're not pulling you away from MyEcon, which I would never tell anyone to do. We're showing you how to maximize your income with MyEcon as well. So you're going to get people to come in from Easy One Up that has no clue what MyEcon is. You see what I'm saying? So you want to still have everything positioned for everyone that comes in, because nobody wants to miss out on commission. So you're going to have a wave of people that are going to come in from Easy One Up. I mean, they pretty much are in MyEcon. They're going to come in from Easy One Up, and you're going to make money, and vice versa. You see what I'm saying? So now you're going to have all of this income coming in. People are learning how to make money and from this platform. And then, we're closing the sales and having our weekly trainings and Zoom calls, and you're inviting your prospects, and we're closing those for you, So guys, get positioned. I'm excited. When I heard about this yesterday, I said, man, I'm already involved in this. Now, with this being very, very new here, they're looking to make Aweber the third-party autoresponder. So if you do have an Aweber account, that's always going to be another thing. So we all about this. At the end of the day, we're all about helping you maximize your income. So a lot of things are being rolled out fresh with it, but I wanted to introduce it to you guys before it really, the wave really jumped off. So what I want to do, guys, to get you positioned, I'm going to leave the links to both of these programs right at the bottom. So once the link goes active, you can just plug in usernames and you're going to be good to go. Okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to drop the link in my descriptions. I want you to check it out, guys. This wave is about to really take over. So if you are in Team Takeover in MyEcon, you see what we've done with MyEcon, guys. So what I'm saying is this. Get involved. Click the link at the bottom, so that way you can know what's going on. And when everything else starts coming out, then boom, you're good to go in your position. So it should be released here sometime today, tomorrow. I don't know. I just wanted to shoot this video first to let you know, like, hey, man, we got some stuff that's about to really jump off. And I want you guys positioned in the right place to make the money as well, okay? Easy One Up has been around for a very long time. I'm not going to say a very long time. The owner of Easy One Up has had systems out for a very long time, and those systems are still moving. Okay? Easy One Up is only like 3 or 4 years old, but everything before then, he still has them. There's still people making good money. And MyEcon is going on, what, 14 years, 15 years? So, guys, everything that we're doing is helping you out. Everything that we're doing is going to really put some money in your pocket. There's people making some good money in both of these programs, and you should not be missing out. Stop sitting on the sideline. Stop watching. Stop watching us. Let's get it. Let's make this happen, guys. I'm watching Avengers right now, and I still have leads and sales coming in. Not the Avengers, Guardians of the Galaxy, but I still make money while I'm doing these type of things. While I'm shooting videos, everything, because I've learned how to put my business on autopilot. I've learned marketing systems. I've learned how to utilize ads. I've learned how to shoot videos and put them on YouTube. I learned how to do placement ads by putting my videos on competitors' videos. Okay? So, guys, I'm going to wrap this up. I hope you have a beautiful and blessed day. But like I said, the instructions are to check out the link in the description. Hit that like button as well. But hit the link in the description. Get signed up for both programs. So that way, when this goal starts hitting off, guys, you're already in position. You already got your funnels already set up. If you want to start sending traffic through Udemy, buying leads through the Conversion Pros, it does not even matter to me, because I'm about to rock with it, because I've been pushing both of these programs. And guys, I've been saying this for a very long time. There were 2 good programs that I always was marketing, and now people are just seeing it as well. So here's the thing. This is your boy Jay. I'm out. Have a beautiful and blessed day. Until the next video, peace.